Have you ever noticed how cucumber and tomato leaves can look completely healthy, and then just a few days later spots suddenly begin spreading faster and faster? Powdery mildew and other fungal diseases often attack right when plants look their strongest and healthiest. Just a few warm and humid days are enough for the problem to spread through the entire garden. Many gardeners immediately start using aggressive chemicals, but there is one simple homemade mixture that people have been using for years during tomato, cucumber, pepper, and zucchini season. To begin, pour about 400 milliliters of water into a container. Water is important because it properly dilutes the ingredients and helps the mixture spread evenly across the leaves without being too strong for the plant. Now I will add about 100 milliliters of milk. Although it sounds unusual to many people, milk has been used in gardens for a long time as a natural aid against fungal problems on leaves. After spraying, the plant gets a thin layer that makes it harder for diseases to develop on the leaf surface. The next ingredient is the well-known baking soda. Add half a small spoon, because even that can be enough to change the conditions on the plant's leaves. Powdery mildew and similar fungi grow best on stable and moist surfaces, and baking soda disrupts exactly that. This is why many gardeners use baking soda as a preventative treatment throughout the summer. If you want the mixture to stay on the leaves longer, you can also add a few drops of mild liquid soap. Once everything is mixed well, leave the mixture to sit for at least 1 hour. After that, pour the mixture into a spray bottle and lightly spray the plants. It's important to spray the underside of the leaves as well, because moisture stays there the longest, and fungi love exactly those kinds of places. The best time for spraying is early in the morning or in the evening when the sun is not strong. Many gardeners repeat the treatment every 7 to 10 days, especially after rain or during periods of high humidity when diseases spread through the garden the fastest. Write in the comments if you have ever used milk and baking soda on cucumber or tomato plants. See you in the next video.